Why is your black pepper chicken never this juicy? It comes down to one simple technique. Cut chicken thighs into bite-sized pieces. In a mixing bowl, add the chicken and season with salt. Mix until the salt is fully absorbed. Most people skip this, but the salt has to go in first for the chicken to absorb other seasonings. Soy sauce adds savory umami. Dark soy sauce adds a deeper color. Sugar helps balance the flavor. Now, here's another important step. Adding a cornstarch slurry coating that locks in the juice and keeps the chicken tender when it hits the wok. Oil seals everything and prevents sticking. Marinate the chicken while you prepare the other ingredients. So this is the technique, proper marinating. But the marinade alone isn't enough. How you cook it also makes a huge difference. Let's cut our onion. Green bell pepper. Red bell pepper. And garlic. Mix 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water. It helps to thicken the sauce into that glossy restaurant-style coating. Then add soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, black pepper, and chicken stock. Mix well. Do you like your black pepper chicken more saucy or lightly coated? Drop a comment and share with us. In a wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the chicken and let it sear for about 20 seconds. This helps the coating set and form a light crust, keeping the chicken very tender. Stir fry for about 3 minutes. Remove. In the wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the onion, green bell pepper, and red bell pepper. Stir fry for about 30 seconds. Add the garlic and stir fry for another 10 seconds. Return the chicken, add the sauce, toss until glossy. Definitely better than takeout, and it only takes 25 minutes. If you also enjoy chicken and cabbage stir fry, check out the video right here. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to follow for more. And for more foolproof recipes, check out my cookbook. Thank you so much for watching.